Jon Y.
The Science Guy.
Jon Y.
Rules.
Today we're going to be talking about a little mineral called molybdenum. Molybdenum? Hold on.
Molybdenum.
Alright, that sounds good. Okay, what do you call it? Now the element is called molybdenum, and that's its common name too. However, in your diet, you get molybdenum in a form called sulfite oxidase, which is a cofactor enzyme with molybdenum in it. What it do, fool? Molybdenum does a lot for your body. It breaks up toxic sulfite buildup, regulates cell function, aids nitrogen metabolism, fights cancer, prevents cavities, and helps produce uric acid. Scientists don't know much about its absorption. We know it's in the stomach, but we don't know if there's really any vitamins or minerals that's necessary to absorb molybdenum. Now, just like Big Macs and Nutter Butters, you don't need much molybdenum in your system. For both male and female adults, 34 micrograms is required for your body, and it's recommended that you get 45 micrograms a day. Males and females from 14 to 18 need 33 micrograms of molybdenum, while it's required that they get 43. Just to put this into perspective, how little this is, take a gram and then cut it into 1,000 pieces. Then take one of those little pieces and cut that into 1,000 pieces. That's a microgram. That's not much. But is it soluble? Now, molybdenum is water soluble. We know that because it's a mineral. And we know that minerals are water soluble because it says on Miss Winter's lecture packet. But really it's because minerals are ion, and ions will dissolve in water. What happens if I decide I don't like this molybdenum thing? Now, because you need so little of it, molybdenum deficiencies are really rare in humans. Most of the time it's going to happen with a patient in the hospital who's getting fed intravenously. Now, your early molybdenum deficiency symptoms are going to be caused from liver malfunction because your liver needs molybdenum to work. Those symptoms are going to include nausea, fatigue, and jaundice, where your skin becomes yellow. No, not like that. That's what I'm talking about. Moderate symptoms of molybdenum deficiency are caused by sulfite building up in your body and not being broken down. These moderate symptoms include tachypnea, where your breathing gets really fast, tachycardia, where your heartbeat gets really fast, vomiting, nausea, headaches, and coma. What happens if I drink straight molybdenum for breakfast every morning? It's hard for scientists to know exactly what the symptoms of molybdenum excess are. This is because when you have excess molybdenum in your system, it gets excreted very quickly. In the very rare cases of molybdenum excess, symptoms include joint pain and swelling, diarrhea, anemia, weight loss, and irritation of the skin, nose, and throat. Where the molybdenum be at? The food sources that are very high in molybdenum include legumes, nuts, and grains. There's also a little bit in milk, though not much. How do we trick kids into thinking that this food's good? We can make molybdenum foods more appetizing by just encouraging eating them with our normal meals. For example, you can have whole grain bread with your sandwich. Get those nuts in your diet and make a little peanut butter jelly. Make a little bean burrito. Get those legumes in there with the molybdenum. Or you can always go with my favorite alternative, the molybdenum ultra mega super sandwich. The first thing you're going to do is get 2 whole wheat slices of bread. Then slather it generously with peanut butter. After that, pile on those beans. Then see if you have any trail mix with nuts and cashews in it. If you do, sprinkle that on, why don't you? Boom. Then serve yourself up a nice tall glass of milk, and you've got a great molybdenum sandwich. Not too bad. I mean, if you can hold it down, it's not bad. If you're not feeling that intense to make yourself a molybdenum sandwich, you can go ahead and make a molybdenum shake. I'm a little glad I don't have to chew this time. I think that's gonna make it easier. It smells like peanut butter. It's fun fact time. Fun fact! A lethal dose of molybdenum is only about 1 to 10 milligrams. Fun fact! Plants cannot grow unless there's molybdenum in the soil. Fun fact. The word molybdenum originates from the Greek word molybdos, meaning lead-like. Whoa, those facts were really fun. The end. Finally.